Welcome to the season of divine enrichment, a time for us to sow in faith and expect an abundant harvest. The Cathedral Church of St. John's Anglican Communion, Otuko Diocese, invites you to be part of our 2025 harvest, tagged Harvest of Divine Enrichment, with the theme Living in Abundance, anchored on 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 8, which says that God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things and at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. This year, our Harvest project is focused on a divine mission, raising funds for an evangelism bus, a vehicle dedicated to spreading the gospel, reaching the unreached, and carrying hope to souls far and near. We are calling on friends, families, corporate bodies, neighbors, colleagues, business associates and clients, and all lovers of the gospel to support this kingdom project with your generous giving. Do you know that your seed today will drive the gospel to communities tomorrow? No support is insignificant. Let God enrich you as you enrich His work. To send in your support, use the following details on your screen. Together, let's live in abundance and abound in every good work. The Cathedral Church of St. John's Anglican Communion, Otuko Diocese, Harvest 2025. Join us, support us, share this. And God bless you.